Alright, welcome back. This is GamerCat playing Hearthstone. A production of Blizzard Entertainment, of course. And today we've got another game with Garrosh using our aggro warrior deck. And as you can see, we are now currently rank 18 with 1 star. And I believe we've got a streak going here, or at least we should. Well, maybe not. We think we lost one before. Yeah. So we're hopefully going to start building on a streak here. A streak once you get 3 games won in a row, then you start getting 2 stars per win until you lose. So we'll see. Oh, Garrosh versus Garrosh one. Now, I gotta tell you, last time we did this, last time we had a Garrosh versus Garrosh, I lost. Well, so we'll hope that this one goes a little bit better. Our starting cards are actually really good ones, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go with those. We'll get ourselves a weapon right off the bat, and then these 2 cards right here. Oh, hold on. These 2 cards right here are Small Time Buccaneer and our South Sea Deckhand build off of him, so that's good. We'll go ahead and get him out into play right now. And we'll go ahead and make an attack. And there we go. Pretty good first turn. Again, our goal here is to build a field presence and attack. That's interesting. Now, he did not attack. That's an interesting move there. Let's go ahead and do our... We're going to get patches out here, too, as well. So, there we go. Awesome. Awesome. And I think that's what he was waiting for. He's waiting for me to develop a little bit and try to defuse this a little bit. But already he's down to 21, which is not good for him. I think I would have tried to make an attack. Okay, that does nothing. I mean, he'll get 1 point out of it. Okay. I think he's got pretty much the same deck that I've got. Okay, got that. See, I think I'll go ahead and do this anyway because I can't do anything else. So let's go ahead and get some armor. Even if I use this to kill, I couldn't, well, I could kill him. I'd lose all my guys, though. Let's stay with the plan. I've got my own frothing berserker ready to go. Trying to get him big. That'll get him big. And wipe out my field. Okay, so I need to get a taunt guy out there if I can get him. There one is, right there. But I have to wait a turn. Okay. Let's see what I can do here. Not that. Let's do this. Let's do this, and since hitting him would do nothing... See, I don't want to take another 9 points of damage. Although, let's do it. I gotta get that guy out of the way. Him getting bigger is not gonna help me at all. There we go. Now I'm kind of in a pinch, but let's see if I can work my way out of it. I've got a 5/4 sitting here, which should anchor my base a bit. At the very least, if he wants to remove that, he'll have to hit with both himself and his minion. He'll kill his minion and do another 5 points to him, which, yeah. Trying to slow down the game with bringing out a taunt. But he also did some damage to himself there. This looks good. This looks good. I've got to get out my taunt guy. I don't want to hit that, though. Damn it. My hand is getting a little bit on the... There we go. I'll try that. At the very least, I'll have to deal with that. And my taunt guy has a Divine Shield, which means that he'll take one attack with no problem. Which also means that he should stay there for... Well, I don't know. He can get killed next turn. He would get killed next turn, and our taunt guy, if I was doing it, I would hit with these guys here. These guys would die. This guy would hit and still have 4 points. He's with that spell that he just threw, that'll actually make it a little bit better for him. Oh, another one of those. Crap. Not going to tell you that I'm happy with that. Let's see. This might be useful. I'll take 2 points, but I'll be able to kill one of these things. How about that? We'll try that. At this point in the game where you both have roughly 10 points, what cards you play and everything like that starts to really matter, because one wrong move and you're done. Not a bad move. He'll start getting points because this guy will hit him and damage 2 of them. So he'll go to 4. And 5. Ow. He would be useful next turn, but I don't know that I'm going to get a next turn. See if I can do it. Be thirsty. Well, he's got me if he wants to go. If he wants it, because he definitely got me. Yeah. Yep, there you go. He's got me. There we go. Well, once again, these Garrosh versus Garrosh games here just aren't working out well for me here. We took a loss, not a problem. There we go. Taking the loss. Oh, my. In any event, we got a couple more Divine Shield minions out there for toward the quest there. And, hey, you win some, you lose some. In any event, if you like what you hear, if you like what you see, tell me about it in the comments below. And in the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.